The last course I am going to discuss today is EDU 5326, Technology Trends, Tools, and Media. During this course, we learned more about digital citizenship and how to teach our students to be responsible while using technology. For our final project, we had to create a PowerPoint over an area of digital citizenship, and then do a screencast of the PowerPoint presentation like I am doing right now for this presentation. The presentation could be used to teach students, parents, or colleagues. I chose to create my presentation as if I were presenting it to parents of my students or colleagues to keep them informed on how to keep their children safe on the internet. I have provided you with a link to my cyber safety screencast by just pressing on the photo, but since it is about 10 minutes long, I am not going to play it during this screencast. So you have the option to view it after this screencast is over. I had never used Screencast before, but I am glad I learned how to use it in this course. Screencasts can be used for many areas of instruction. Recently, I started using them to teach my students how to create basic things in a Word document. Here is a screencast of me explaining how to create a partial Venn diagram. Alright, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own Venn diagram on a Word document. So first what you have to do is you're going to make your shapes, your two circles. So you need to go to Insert, Shape, and you're going to want an oval. And from here, where you see the little plus sign, you can start to draw your oval however big you would like it. So I would like mine to be about there. And I would like the same exact circle again. So I'm going to click on it and then do Edit, Copy, and then Edit again and Paste. See, now these are on top of each other. So a Venn diagram is where you can kind of see where they're overlapping a little bit. So I also want these to be clear. So I have to double click on this on one of the shapes, and then over here I am going to click on whichever one I would like. So I could have a yellow line around it. I just want black or gray. And then on this one, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I don't want green, I want black. There you go. So, since this is a Word document, your Venn diagram is not quite complete, but once you print it out, you can write on top of it and then draw the extra part of your circle, and then put your title and two sections at the top, all by yourself. The great thing about using screencasts to show your students how to do basic things on the computer or their iPad is that you can have them upload the video on their device so then they can replay it as many times as they need. And my students really enjoy when I do that because then they can complete the objective without having to ask me a bunch of questions. All right. My experiences during the Baker University MAED program have affected me and my students in many positive ways. I feel as though the program has made me more flexible and creative in the ways that I deliver my instruction by using best practice and technology. I have grown in the area of putting my students' social well-being, emotions, and of course academics at the center of my teaching philosophy, instead of centering it mostly around my instruction. I plan to utilize all of the knowledge I have gained from my courses and continue to grow as an educator to the most important people in the world, children.